Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers, back out here in Junction City, Kansas. We're a little bit away from home, but it's okay. This is a nice little project out here we're doing for some lovely folks. This cut stone foundation here, we're going to come in, we're going to waterproof it by putting up our steel mesh. We'll come in and patch any holes or cracks prior to this, but then we'll put our steel mesh over the wall and then coat it with our King Piers recipe of high strength concrete. That'll do two things. It adds structural strength, although this house is already structurally very sound, and it waterproofs it. When we're done with that, we'll come in and clean the floors and seal all the cracks. We'll seal where the floor butts the wall and coat it with our waterproofing paint, tinted to gray. So stay with me, folks. King Piers, Junction City. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. Don't forget my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.